Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix BattleBit Remastered error 0xc0000005. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to make sure that you don't have any corrupted files in your game. So open up Steam, go to Library, go to BattleBit Remastered, and then right click on it, go to Properties, and then go to installed files and verify integrity of the game files. And if this doesn't work, then another thing that you need to do here is to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. So first of all, go to check for updates on the search, and then press check for updates button here. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install, please do so. Restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app that's called GeForce Experience. It's completely free. You can download it on your computer, go to drivers, and then check for updates here. And if there is an update, please download and install it. If you don't have GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon, you need to go to Device Manager. And here you should see your display adapters here. Right click on it, update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And if there is a driver, you can download and install it here. And if this doesn't work, then if you're using third-party antivirus software like Avast, McAfee, or other, disable them as well as your Windows Defender firewall. So you need to go to Windows Defender firewall. And then here you should see turn on or off Windows Defender Firewall and turn off here. And then go back, go to allow an app feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And then you need to look for BattleBit Remastered here. And you need to make sure that these are here. And if you don't see BattleBit Remastered, you need to add it manually. So you need to go to allow another app, press browse. And it's usually on disk C, program file 686, and then Steam. And then you should see Steam apps, then common, and here you will see BattleBit Remastered folder here, right? And then you need to go to exe file and add it here and add here. As you can see here, for me is already added, so I don't need to do that anymore. And if this do not resolve your problem, another thing that you can do here is to go to virus and threat protection and make sure you are on here virus and threat protection settings, manage settings. Make sure to disable real-time protection, and then go to exclusions here and press and add remove exclusion. Press yes. And then select add an exclusion, select folder here, and then you need to go to your disk C, Steam, the program file x86, then you need to go to Steam, and then you need to go to Steam apps, common, and then select the folder here, and then add it here, right? And just start the computer, and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.